Oh, we got a nice horn. All right, so we're gonna have to trim this. The tires that we got for these wheels, y'all, the tires that we got on here, it's not gonna work. They're too freaking big for this setup right here, so we're gonna have to change the tire. You guys see this wheel right here, same size, but we're actually gonna have to trim that sucker a little bit to get these things to fit properly. But this is like the fun part, you know? Back, gotta do a little work to the back, but nothing too crazy. Yeah. This thing is cool. You said it's adapters on here right now? Yeah. Oh, okay, got you. So you said if you take the adapters off, it'll sit flush?
Yeah. Yeah. Take them off, and then you have to notch from here to here on the inside.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
That ain't gonna be sticking out, you know what I'm saying?
Right, yeah, no, I got you. Okay, now it makes sense. Yeah.
It's gonna be in where it's supposed to be.
Right. Okay, now I'll get you. Got the oohs and the ahs on here, man. I can't wait. I am excited, y'all. I am excited. We got the 1987 El Camino with the original freaking owner's manual in that thing. It got the original owner's manual in there.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. I ain't never seen no Elco owner's manual. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm excited, man. Y'all see what's going on. It's running good, sounding amazing. Can't wait, man. So it shouldn't be a lot of work, huh? Just minor things. Little minor things, man. So we gotta get new tires on all four.
Yeah.
Really gotta watch out for potholes now.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord, these tires is skinny. Godly. I ain't gonna hold y'all. There's barely even a tire on this joint. Sheesh. But it's definitely about to be a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on. We are done by D. It's a movie, man. All right, man. So now that we know what we gotta get, we're gonna snatch these wheels off real quick, man. Like I say, got the car up in the air, snatching the wheels off. We know exactly what we need to do now. So we put the rallies back on there for now, but y'all get a glimpse of what this thing gonna look like, man. Y'all let me know which one y'all like better, the El Camino or the Monte Carlo, man. I think the next giveaway might be pretty great. I ain't gonna hold you. The next giveaway might be pretty great, man. Y'all see what's going on. If y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go. It's time to go up, man. We back at it, man. Glad to give y'all another video. I appreciate y'all, man. We going live tomorrow, giving away our 2023 CVO. If y'all don't know what it look like, I'm on it right now. So we going live tomorrow, giving away Big Daddy for the Big Daddy, man. So head on over to everythingregular.com right now, man. You get 250 entries for only 23 bucks, man. For $23, you can win this 2023 CVO Road Glide right now, man. Y'all know what time it is.
See how it's gonna sit in though?
Oh yeah, it do sit a lot flusher for sure. Yeah, it looks a lot better. Try to notch the other side. Okay. Yeah, so it had an adapter on there at first, y'all. So without the adapter, it actually fit real flush. It look nice, man. I can't wait.
Yeah, see how it's hitting right here? All this got to be done.
So I see where it got to cut a little bit, man. No big deal. When the rims get on there, it's gonna do what it do. Definitely gonna do what it do, man. I'm excited. I am excited. Shout out my dog for letting me get this right here, because I sure wanted one of these. So y'all seen it with the rims on there. What y'all think with the rally wheels? Y'all want to go take this thing on a first Rizzy? First Rizzy on the rally wheels? On the rally wheels? Okay, we got a little bit of gas left. Okay, see how easy that go in the reverse? I ain't gonna hold you. I like this one already. Hold up. I like this already. Play fine. Let's see how clean. Oh my God, this thing is smooth. This motherfucker is smooth. Okay. I ain't gonna hold you. This joint smooth. Hold on, let me roll up the window. The window roll up fast. Oh my Lord. The window roll up fast, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. We in that Elco right now, going, yeah, hold on, do I gotta get it this way? It's windy out here, so man, let me stay right. Let Let me stay right. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm in the Elko sliding right now. I can only imagine with the wheels on here. The music sounding amazing. Now, y'all let me know if y'all like the rally wheels or the Forgiato wheels on here better, man. I ain't gonna hold you, but it could go both ways. Now, me personally, I think I prefer the Forgiatos on here. But I know everybody's got their different taste in wheel setups and old schools and how they like their old schools, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Would you guys rather have this thing with the rims on or with the rally wheels on there, man? I can't wait. This thing is driving oh so just smooth. Just check it out, bro. Literally just oh so smooth. It's actually driving smoother than my El Camino. Of course, we got rally wheels on here, but like just the drivability and everything is just so freaking smooth. 16,000 miles on this thing. 1987 El Camino with the oohs and the ahs on it. I ain't gonna hold you, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm trying to find a place to turn around. Definitely a nice car, man. Clean as ever. Now, of course, when I put them rims on here, we gotta figure out like the steering is cool on here, but you guys know this is like 1987, bro. So we gotta get it situated. But all in all, it is a smooth ride, man. Smooth ride, sound good, look good. Got the alarm, some nice, smooth, comfortable seats with the armrest in the middle, man. I'm chilling. I'm trying to find a place to turn around, but I'm gonna just turn around right here. Right here. Let's get it together. Let me see. Let's get it together. Oh, the little knob came off. Okay. So for the best here, let's not fall in a ditch. Let's not fall in the ditch. Okie dokie. Right back in drive. Get that thing to slide. With rims, we'd never be able to make that tight turn. It'd be rubbing all over the place, but I ain't gonna even hold you. El Camino on the dash, man. Big Daddy Chevrolets, man. Y'all know if you love the Chevrolet, man, y'all know what time it is. I think the next giveaway gonna be real interesting, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. I'm in an Elko slide in that thing, man. Hold on. I'm in that Elko slide in that thing, man. Big dog. Feeling like the Big Daddy in this Elko. I ain't gonna hold you. Did any of y'all cruise in these things in 1987, man? Let me know. Was y'all, ooh, that's the horn. Okay, bet, that's cool. Did any one of y'all ride the El Caminos, man? I like this Elko, and this is probably my favorite old school just because my dad had a few Elkos. Not only that, he had one that looked literally just like this. Same color scheme. He had it on like IROCs and stuff though, but all in all, it did look freaking nice as heck. So that's why I really like the car. It's a lot. It's really comfortable. It's got the tow bed back there, so you can literally put a freaking Harley Davidson in the back. Now, I wonder if a Harley can go in the back. We'll see how it works out here soon. But y'all stay tuned, man. We sliding that 1987 thing for the 87 thing. Which one y'all like better, the 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aero Coupe that we have, or the 1987 El Camino? You guys know the 87 was like the year of the year for the G-Body. So yes, sir, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. When I tell y'all this thing is smooth, dog. Windows roll up and down. Super smooth and grooving. Old school for the win. This thing is comfortable ride on with these wheels, man. Y'all let me know if y'all like the rally wheels or the rims, man. Of course, we gonna keep both, but smooth as heck. Smooth as heck. Like literally goes into all gears proper, no issues, no nothing. Literally smooth.
Yeah, I like it.
Definitely smooth, man. I'm like, yeah, that's it. That's it for sure, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. 1987. It's charging up now. Oh, with the antenna working? Oh my God. I ain't seen that in forever. What? When was the last time y'all seen the antenna come up? That's crazy. With the antenna work on here, that is insane. My bad. I didn't even see that. That's crazy, dog. I'm excited, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. 1987 for the win. Let's go.